Lots of bait around this island. I think it's a snook. Oh yeah, it's another snook. Oh, he just jumped right in the net. And we're unhooked already, so that's good. Ow! Alright, well, see ya. It's not how I wanted that to happen, but whatever. Found some potholes over here. I'm gonna anchor up here for a little bit. See what I find on these potholes. Dude, I just literally said, is this a jack? Yeah, it's a jack. I had literally just saw some pompanos crew by, and I thought this might have been one, but it's not. Little barking puppy. Ooh, go on with yourself. That's a big trout. Holy crap. He thinks he's a snook. I was about to say, there's got to be a trout out here in this open water. Boom, that's a decent trout. Go on with yourself. You destroyed the bait, but that's all good.